Okay, so as we're talking about skills, that then what skills or we can say interest areas should our student develop before going for an internship?
As far as software students is considered, the coding and programmings are highly essential, where they have to learn languages like HTML, Java, C, C++, whatever is required for an organization that they have to
Yes.
get into. And they have to work on hackathons, coder hank. There are a lot of hackathon related sites where they have
Correct.
to check their coding skills and where they have improved, and they have to get their leadership ranking board, which will be offered by the hackathon platform itself. So if you put
Mhm.
those items in your resume, recruiters will be highly inspired that you have already done some proactive work and built something which is essential for your particular job, right? So
Yeah.
that essentials you'll have to pick up and keep it ready so that the software skills will be highly recommended. But for
Yeah.
sales, HR, customer service, the talking, interpersonal skills, communication skills, those kind of skills is expected. You'll have to develop during the process so that they feel that you are very proactive. You approach people without any hesitations. All that.
Yeah.
Because most of the interns comes from the sales, customer service, and HR background. So which needs a lot of talking element, lot of conversational things,
Yeah.
talking to the client. Those kind of expectations is what comes from the internship requirement. If you're looking for a one-to-one job counseling, connect with me with topmat.io/gskumar.